Hello, welcome to Tech Easy. Good evening to everyone. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can organize your Google Drive. So this is on my mobile app of Google Drive. You may do the same step on the PC or your laptop. The procedure is similar, just for the convenience sake, I'm showing it to you on the mobile device. Okay. See here, this is on my home screen of this Google Drive app, and there are folders, there are some individual files, everything clubbed up, means it's looking like a mess. All the combinations of the files, there are some PDFs, some documents, some photos also, .csv, this is the Excel file. How you can organize or make them look good and easier to navigate. For example, in future, if you want to search for any resume of yourself, you need to organize them first. To do that, you need to click on this option. So click on this files option, which is the fourth option, and now say for example these CSV files 1 2 3 4 5, these 5 Excel sheets, I want to move them into a particular folder called my office Excel sheet, something like that. So I can do that from next time on that particular folder. Just what we create and manage and organize on the laptop, the same thing we need to do here. But if you observe, when you click on this home and if you select few of the options here, you won't find this move option. Only if and only if you select this files, then then only you will find this move option, move to particular targeted folder. First of all, what I'll do is I'll click on this plus symbol and I'll just create a folder here, and I'll name it like my office CSV files or Excel files, whatever it may be. I'll create it first. So the folder has been created, and now I'll select the individual files, and now I'll click on this move option. So it is asking me to where should I move this file. So I'll select this particular folder and I'll click on OK, move. See here now, where is this? My office CSV files. In this folder, there are some files, and here also I can create another subfolder, inner folder, and I can move here also. So in this way you can better organize. So you may ask me something like, see, now for all the PDFs, see, these are the what we called this also I created using this Google application only, I forgot the name. And these 4 I can move to somewhere with the available folder, or some I can create a new folder and I can move there. In this way I can keep, see, these are all the Excel sheets. I can simply move them to some folder which is already available, or I can create a new one. In this way you can organize these Google Drive files into a very good manner. And see here, on the file name I have kept some emojis or the images. How you can do that? When you are creating any folder, not only the name, it will also take these emojis or the small images. So in this way you can better create some attractive folder names or the structures or something like that. So if you do have any other questions, please do ask in the comments, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.